Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. Lecture number 2, title Our Most Loyal Dog. Our most loyal friend, dog. Dogs are a great value as helpers and companion to man. They are trained for special purposes like chasing as dropped animals and guards. Means dogs are the great value as helpers and companion to man. So discuss here about one by one. First, the cute breed. This figure, the cute breed. The name of this dog, Pug. Second, a dog originally from the Germany. Means this dog originally from the Germany. The name is dog Schnauzer. Schnauzer. Third, the breed comes from China. The breeds come from China. The name of this dog, Sharpie. Sharpie. Fourth, the bigger variety. The bigger variety, the name of this dog, Maltese. Question number 5th, it has a blue-black tongue. It has a blue-black tongue. The name of this dog, Chow Chow. 6. A small breed developed in the 19th century in Yorkshire. The name of this dog, Yorkshire. 7th, Barkless dog. This dog is Barkless dog. The name of this dog, Basenji. Basenji. 8th, Beggar's dog. The name of this dog, Dachshund. Dachshund. 9th, fastest dog in the world. Fastest dog in the world. The name of the dog, Greyhound. Greyhound. 10th, largest native carnivorous mammal in Australia. Largest native carnivorous mammal in Australia. The name of this dog, Dingo. Question number 11th, smallest breed of dog. Smallest breed of dog. The name of this dog, Chihuahua. 12th, developed in Dalmatians, a draft animal and companion. The name of this dog, Dalmatian. Question number 13, has pure blood used as a tracker of criminals. Has pure blood used as tracker of criminals. The name of this dog, Bloodhound. Bloodhound. 14, a very intelligent dog used as police dog, sniffers and companion. The name of this dog, German Shepherd. German Shepherd. 15th, Royal Dog of Egypt. Royal Dog of Egypt. The name of this dog, Saluki. The name of this dog, Saluki. 16, breed or Tibet as a watchdog and a family dog. Breed or Tibet as a watchdog and family dog. The name of this dog, Lhasa Apso. Lhasa Apso. 17, a dog from China kept as a pet has a beautiful soft coat. This breed is kept from China. The name of this, Pekingese. Pekingese. 18th, originated in Siberia for pulling sleds. People friendly, likes to howl for fun. The name is dogs, Siberian Husky. Siberian Husky. Next, the amazing unusual flora. Some plants have unique body structures and strange habits. First, this tree produces the largest flower cluster in the world. Its flower only one and then die. Its flowers only once and then dry. The name of this plant, teleport palm. Teleport palm. Second, this plant grow at an amazing rate and can grow 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. It grow 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. The name of this plant, giant capped seaweed. Question number 3. This plant grow on its host tree and strangles it. It starts as a seeds fallen on leaves of the host and develops root which descend along the trunk of the host, enter the soil, and eventually the host tree die and huge fig tree is left behind. The name of this tree, strangler's fig. Strangler fig. Fourth, it is a parasitic plant and has no chlorophyll. It is a native of South Africa. The plant grows underground, but its flower emerge above the ground and emit foul odor to attract its pollinator. The flower then trap the insect and eat them. The name of this plant, Hydnora africana. Hydnora africana. Fifth, the leaf of this plant looks as if they have been cut into the perfect heart. It's grow in the Thailand forest. The name of this plant, sweetheart hoya. Sweetheart hoya. Question number 6. This plant produces the world's largest seeds. It grows only in satchels. The seeds are like rounded coconuts, weight about 20 kilo. The name of this plant, giant fan palm. Question number 8. 7. Can you identify this unique plant? The name of this plant is Rafflesia flower. This is the flower, Rafflesia flower. 8th. It is native to southern Africa. Leaves look like a pebbles and merge in the surrounding pebbles. Leaves are one or two pairs fused with no stem. The name of this plant is pebble plant. 9th, this eucalyptus tree found in the northern hemisphere. It has colorful trunk with multicolored streaks. Outer bark is usually sad, showing inner blue, purple and purple, different types of colors. So this name of this eucalyptus is rainbow eucalyptus. Rainbow eucalyptus. Unique animals and birds. Identify these unique animals and birds. First, this orange-legged African hawk captures a poisonous snake with feet and crushes it to death with its wing. Means this is the orange-legged African hawk capture poisonous snake and kill them through his wings. The name of this bird, secretary bird. Secretary bird. Second, this animal is found in Malaysia and it is the foulest smelling animal in the world. Smell like rotting sock or rotting onion. The name of this animal is moon rat. Moon rat. 6. 3. It is an acrobatus monkey. Uses its tail as a lift and to pick up object and swing through tree reaching the top. The name of this monkey is spider monkey. Spider monkey. 4th, a triangular hooked beak make it look very odd. The beak is large like a head and it has an orange color at the corners of the mouth. The outer part of bill drops after nesting. The name of this plant is puffin. Fifth, the garden eels live in the tubes in the sand. They are found on the ocean bed. They project their heads up into the water and swim. They feed on small creatures brought to them with water. The name of this garden is garden eel. Question number 6. Found in South Africa, it is about 1.5 meter long and about 3 centimeter thick. The name of this giant earthworm. 7th, it is a cat-like mammal native to Africa and Asia. It has scent-like smell due to glands secreting greasy substance with which they mark the tree. The greasy substance is used as a fixative for perfume. The name of this animal is civet. Question number 8. This beautiful deceives its predator by the false head on the back of its wings with eyes, legs and antenna. Complete it is not easy to find which way it's flying. So the name of this false-headed butterfly. False-headed butterfly. Question number 9. They help the farmers. They travels into the forest and brings leaves which they cut into pieces and carry them to thin underground nest. The rotten leaves serves as a nourishment to plant. These ants eat only the fungus that grow on these leaves. The name of this ant, leaf cutter ant. Leaf cutter ant. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number and each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.